This mobile mechanic tripping for asking for this. Let's watch the video.
The total would be 110 for the road call, 50 for the miles, that's a flat fee, 160 for labor, and we do charge a minimum of 2 hours of labor.
It's almost
The crazy thing is, man, when I dealing with trucking mechanics, that minimum 2 hours, they make sure they get their bread, and they charge you for the miles, and they charge you for the labor, obviously. But the thing is, though, what if you get there, you fix it in 10 minutes? You still charge me for the 2 hours?
$500,
Yeah.
which I don't mind paying, but I can't just send you $500 and then you guys may not even show up.
If you found us, that we have a service, that we have a reputation,
So one of my separate team belts had popped on my truck and it's like overheating. So I need a mobile mechanic to come out and change it. But I'm not paying $500 up front before you even get out there.
One thing you never do, owner-operator, owning a company, you never pay for the whole thing before they get out there. I need you to come out there first. I've been tried with a lot of mobile mechanics in this same situation where they ask for the money up front. Nope, I need you to get there. I need you to arrive. I need you to make sure you are there. Never, ever, ever pay a mobile mechanic before they arrive to the job. That's a scam. This is the things you have to understand before you get into this industry. This is why I tell owner-operators, do your research, take a course, do something, learn, because there's a lot of scams that you have to be aware of when you are in the industry. If you are not understanding the industry, then you are going to get scammed. You're going to get screwed. The thing about trucking, which is different than other type of careers, is when you are learning a lesson in trucking, it always costs. There's some industries where you can learn a lesson, it doesn't cost you anything. But when you are running a trucking business and you're in the trucking industry, that lesson will always cost you money. And it's not going to be like a couple of dollars. It will be hundreds to thousands of dollars that you have to learn from that lesson. This is why I tell owner-operators, this is why I tell people that before they become owner-operators, learn the business. Do your research first. Understand what you are doing, okay? Understand what you're getting into. But yes, never, ever, 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 ever pay a mobile mechanic before they even arrive. I need you there. I need everything fixed, and I'll pay you after. That's how it's supposed to go.